NotePlan versus Obsidian, two beloved productivity powerhouses, one big question: which one really delivers? On the left, NotePlan, the Apple-first app blending calendar, tasks, and notes. On the right, Obsidian, the ultra-customizable, markdown-based knowledge management tool for deep thinkers. Let's skip the marketing speak and dive into what actually matters. Each category adds up points. At the end, you'll know exactly which app comes out ahead. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Okay, here's how we're gonna break this down. We'll compare NotePlan and Obsidian on. You ready for this? Price, features and customization, organization and productivity, platform and sync, knowledge management, user experience and design, and integration and automation. That's 7 categories, folks. Let's jump right in. First up, price. So with NotePlan, you get a free 7-day trial, which is cool for testing things out. But after that, it's gonna set you back $99 a year. There's no forever free tier, and yeah, it's a single subscription that works across all your Apple devices. Now Obsidian, well, honestly, this one's a treat. It's completely free for personal use. Yup, you download it and you're good. If you want some extras like sync or publish features, those are paid add-ons. But for most people, you can get by without spending a dime, and so, Obsidian definitely takes this round. Next, features and customization. NotePlan's thing is having built-in calendar and daily notes, plus you can time-block tasks and even play around with AI tricks like note summaries and voice commands. Pretty sweet for a get-things-done vibe, but customization? Yeah, it's kinda limited. The graph view is nothing near Obsidian, to be honest. Speaking of which, Obsidian is legendary for its plugins. I mean, there's over 200 and you can make the whole workspace your own. If you love Markdown and imagine creating a spiderweb of ideas, this is the one. However, it does have a steeper learning curve and you'll need a bit of patience to set up things like calendar or task integrations. No surprise here, Obsidian wins again. Now, organization and productivity. NotePlan really shines here. You get time blocking, bullet journaling, and its sync with Apple's calendar and reminders is so tight. If you're a planner or love a structured workflow, seriously, you'll vibe with this. Downside, it's Apple only, so Windows folks, sorry, and yeah, it's not great for building crazy knowledge webs. Obsidian. It gives you linking, backlinking, and a graph view, which is awesome for making connections and seeing how ideas relate. But tasks and calendar stuff, not so strong out of the box. You'll have to set those up yourself. Winner here is definitely NotePlan. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Obsidian's graph view can visualize connections between thousands of notes at once? Meanwhile, NotePlan's whole philosophy is planning your life around your calendar. Fun fact, both of these apps actually started out as projects by solo indie developers. So yeah, kind of awesome. Alright, platform and sync. NotePlan, it's super at home on Mac and iOS with iCloud Sync, and you can use it offline too. But if you're on Windows or Android, no luck, there's even no web version. Obsidian, though, is a cross-platform beast. Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android, you name it. Everything's stored locally so your privacy is solid. You want easy device sync? There's an optional paid add-on, but it isn't native iCloud. Obsidian sweeps this category hands down. Now let's talk knowledge management. NotePlan is simple: link notes, quick capture, fast search. It works fine for juggling your daily stuff, but advanced graph views or PKM tools, not really happening here. Obsidian, on the other hand, has this crazy visual knowledge graph for linking ideas, perfect for anyone into Zettelkasten or personal knowledge management. Tons of community plugins too. The catch: it might be a little much if you just want simple planning. Obsidian easily wins for knowledge management. On to user experience and design. NotePlan is just beautiful. It's got that modern Apple look, feels fresh, and even beginners can jump in. Daily workflows are super intuitive. Sure, there's less customization and data nerds might hit a wall here. Obsidian's look is minimalist, barebones really, but you can personalize it as much as you want. Problem is, it needs some work to get there. Some folks might bounce off at first because it doesn't look or feel like much straight out of the box. So NotePlan totally takes design and user experience. Last but not least, integration and automation. NotePlan syncs natively with Apple reminders and calendar. It's got solid task management and built-in templates, but it's locked into the Apple ecosystem. Obsidian. There's a whole world of community plugins and API access for those of you who want to go deep, but no native calendar or reminder integration. You'll need to set things up manually there. Winner this round, NotePlan. If we look at the big picture, Obsidian flexes hard on knowledge management, customization, and price. NotePlan wins on design, Apple integration, and structured productivity. Depends on what matters most to you. So, if you're after seamless planning, a beautiful UI, and dream Apple integration, go with NotePlan. It's perfect if you want your tasks, calendar, and notes bundled together without fuss. But if your brain craves endless flexibility, data linking, and the power to build your own second brain, Obsidian is absolutely where you should be. Planners will love NotePlan, tinkerers and thinkers, Obsidian's got your back. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.